All right, are you ready for some pumpkin? So I saw a video, or a couple of them, where they made pumpkin muffins and they used the cake mix and the pumpkin puree. You might have seen them too. But I'm gonna make mine a little bit different. First of all, I don't have the spice cake mix because my store didn't have it, so I'm improvising. I'm using the yellow cake mix and I'm adding the pumpkin pie spice to mine. And then the one that I saw, it had the no-bake cheesecake on top, but I'm gonna try to mix it all in and hope that it turns out. So I'm using the cake mix, the puree, and the no-bake cheesecake, and I'm gonna bake it into some beautiful, hopefully very tasty pumpkin muffins. So we're gonna see what happens. So I'm gonna start with the, I already got this open, and I don't wanna get the cake mix everywhere. And then I'm gonna add the pumpkin, I still can't talk, I'm so excited. The pumpkin puree. I couldn't talk in the intro either. But anyway, we're gonna keep going. Alright, so I'm just gonna add this. Alright, so then you have a big old pumpkin-y mess. And I'm gonna try to mix it and not get it all over me and my kitchen. I'm gonna try. But I think it's gonna take a few minutes, so wait for it. And we're back, and it's all mixed, and it smells really good. All right, but now I'm gonna add the pumpkin pie spice. I don't know how much, I'm just gonna add some. I'm gonna do that Rachel Ray thing where you just eyeball things. Hope it turns out. And it's finally raining. We haven't had rain in so long. Right? And I'm gonna take, I'm thinking maybe half of this. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Alright, so I dumped a bunch in there. Oh, that looks good. Alright, so that's what it looks like. And I've got my muffin pan over here. That over here so you can watch me not make a mess, hopefully. Alright, so I'm just going to scoop a little bit in each one. And I'll probably bring you back when this one's all full. And they're all full. Alright, so I have the oven waiting on me at 350. I'm going to try putting them in for about 30 to 35 minutes, but I'm going to do the toothpick test and see if it comes out clean at that point. So I'll let you know when I get back how long that it took to cook. And so while it's in the oven, I might take a spoon to that cheesecake that's left over. Looking pretty good. Y'all thought I was joking. Love me some cheesecake. So, 40 minutes. They were in the oven for 40 minutes. So, don't make these if you're hungry because you'll starve. No. Or you can do little mini muffins. So, I have one here and it's been cooling off for a little bit. And that looks worth the wait. That looks so, so good. So, let's see. Yep, really good. Okay, so you really should make these. These are delicious.